Hi guys, this is John from the Lexus of Las Vegas shop. Today I'll show you how to do a battery replacement on RX 350. First thing, make sure the key's out of the vehicle so you don't lock it in. And then remove the battery hold down. It's secured in the front and the back with 10mm nut and screw. And then you'll remove the negative terminal end and wrap it with a rag as a precaution so it doesn't spark when it comes in contact with metal. Then you'll remove the positive terminal and get it out of the way so you can remove the battery. Then you remove the cover and the battery. Then you put the new battery back in place of the old battery, reinstall the cover that was around the battery, and then you'll install the hold down. There will be a 10mm screw in the front and a hook in the rear that goes into a slot under the back of the battery. You'll then install the positive terminal end and tighten it with a 10mm wrench. Then you'll install the negative terminal end and tighten it with that same 10mm wrench. After both of the terminal ends are installed, turn the vehicle ignition to on to let the screens boot up, and then your vehicle's good to go.